This is my initial review of these budget-friendly strings instead of getting my Eva Parazzis. I changed my strings yesterday or the day before, I can't remember now. So they've been on for 2 days, and I've played on the instrument for a significant amount between those 2 days. The initial sound, it's the upper end is bright, nice and bright, but the warmth that the Eva Parazzis have is missing from these so far. They're still a bit tinny to me, not as warm, especially on the lower end, as I like. But again, it's like a clear, bright sound, especially on those upper ends. So we will see what happens with time for these new budget-friendly strings.